Okay, so here we're starting with our shoulder CAR. Now this is one of the most important CARs that we can do, as the shoulder is such a commonly used joint. This one's going to be quite difficult, and as you can see, there's quite a bit of strain in my face. I'm stepping back here to get a better look in the camera, but what we're going to do is push the legs through the ground and tense the opposing fist of the arm that's moving. As you can see, I'm generating quite a bit of tension. And what we're aiming to do, as always, is perform the biggest rotation of the joint possible. Now, this is the shoulder joint itself. Notice how my arm is completely straight, my elbow's locked out, and my fingers are not moving. You want to imagine that your arm is somewhat of a peg or a paddle that is able to articulate fully. Now, what we are doing, and as you can see, is going straight up overhead with the arm. So you can see here, straight up overhead. Then you're internally rotating, turning down, and then we're going to reverse that direction into extension and back over. So essentially the move is flexion up overhead, internally rotating and then going down with the biggest circle possible. Then with the pinky forward, you're going to extend the shoulder back up as much as possible while moving the arm forward. What you want to do is make sure that you don't move through the torso or through any other joint in the body, and it's just isolating it to the shoulder. And this will help us to get the most out of our shoulder CARs and help that complex move. Now you're going to go for 4 rotations each side and both directions, so that's backwards and forwards.